Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Herlene Hipon-Budol, Binibining Pilipinas 2022, first runner-up, made a dazzling appearance at last night's Binibining Pilipinas 2024 Coronation Night. Known for her vibrant personality and charm, Herlene turned heads with her stunning ensemble, which was a perfect blend of elegance and modernity. She wore a breathtaking gown that highlighted her curves and exuded sophistication. The dress, adorned with intricate beadworks and sequins, shimmered under the stage lights, making her the center of attention. And the color of the gown, gold with full-up sequins, complemented her complexions and added a touch of regal flair to her look. Herlene's hairstyle was a sleek, sophisticated updo, which showcased her beautiful facial features and allowed her to wear statement earrings that further elevated her overall look. Her makeup was flawlessly done with focus on dramatic eyes and bold red lips, enhancing her natural beauty and adding a touch of glamour. As she walked the stage, her confidence and poise were evident, reflecting her growth since her time as a contestant. Herlene's appearance was not only a testament to her style and grace, but also a reminder of her journey and achievements in the pageant world. She interacted warmly with the audience and fellow contestants, showing her approachable and down-to-earth nature. Herlene Hipon-Budol's look at the coronation night was a perfect blend of elegance, glamour, and charm, leaving a lasting impression on everyone's present. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!